Avocado ice cream wasn't my thing, not until a chef gave me this homemade avocado ice cream recipe. So creamy like the ones we buy in shops. A very warm welcome to today's video. I'm Yummy Cash. For this recipe, you need 5 basic ingredients. And these ingredients are avocado, salt, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and whipping cream. To begin with, I cut the avocado into 2 and take the seed out. Now, the next thing to do is to separate the flesh from the skin. I love avocado. It's really dense in nutrients. Avocados are high in vitamin C, E, K, and vitamin B6. After separating the flesh from the skin, I put them in a blender. I'll go ahead and add some evaporated milk. Next is to add some condensed milk. If you don't like condensed milk or you don't have condensed milk, feel free and use sugar. After the addition of the condensed milk, I added a pinch of salt and blended it nicely. Pour the blended ingredients into a mixing bowl. Your mixture should be a bit thick, as you can see in the video. I'll then add in the heavy cream. Then more of the condensed milk. Give it a very good mix. A very warm welcome once again if today is the first time on this channel. I'll then add 3 drops of green food color and mix again. And to my returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Pour the mixture into an ice cream bowl. Hey, don't go anywhere. We are not done yet. I so much love this avocado ice cream recipe. Just so perfect. Comes out very creamy and tastes absolutely delicious. Cover and keep it in the freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, this is what I have. Time to add the magic. In a clean bowl, I'm going to pour the ice cream in. Now using a whisk, I'm going to whisk it to incorporate some air into the ice cream. And I'm going to whisk it for about 5 minutes. In between the whisking, I add in some vanilla extract. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. As you continue to whisk, the ice cream becomes airier and doubles in quantity. Pour the ice cream back into the ice cream bowl. Look at that. I will cover it and keep it in the freezer for 8 to 10 hours. So after 10 hours, this is what I have. Look at that, very creamy. Tastes super delicious. this is where we draw the curtains. Yummy. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash juice.